Brennan, welcome to back channel. Welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna dig into the some throwback, right? So this is not just a throwback video, right? So let's gonna get deeper, go back to where we started, right? So it's also these are some things that I am using right now. So okay, so ditching the social media, right? Social site. And it's also let's gonna go back into where we are started. So we are going back to the time where this good old tech, yeah, from the past but that we are using. And it's also we are also going analog, right? So this we are just going some analog and some retro tech, right? And it's also this is sorry, so the trend, right? So is the passion, right? So what is our passion, right? Our passion is to go back to where we are, to where we are started, right? So and these are some of the things that I am using today, right? So and also the all of it, everything in here. So I also got some options if I want to, right? So okay, so let's go dig into the past. So let's go dig in and let's go gonna start it up. Categorizing all the stuffs right over here, right? So since some of them is not right here, so I'm just gonna have to mention it up, right? So okay, so we're gonna have to dig in into the yeah, we're gonna go back so to where we are started, right? So where we are, so first from the past we have some vinyl, right? So we have some vinyl, and then after it we got a tape cassette, and it's also we've got some for the music, right? For the music we've got some, also we got some CDs, and also we got some DVDs, and also for the movies we got also, yeah, we got also for the movies. And for the gaming also, let's go ahead with that, we got some gamings, right? And also after that we got some entertainment, which is we are what is this called, we are watching TVs, right? So and it's also we are watching movies from our player, from our DVD player also, right? And it's also we got some jukebox from the past. We've got everything that we are that today, but you know, they are going back, right? So they are going back right here, right now in 2026, because this is the new, because this is the new retro, right? Because this is the new retro year for all of us, right? So it is not just for the trending, it is not for the TikTok, and this is not also for the you know, for the just for 1 month, right? Just for a couple of weeks. No, this is not just about like that one. So it is just about how you are going to go back from the time that we are going, right? So yeah, so some of these items are now modernized, right? And some of the items also is still on the good for the people. Because we are really going back. So right, so okay, I'm gonna start it up with some I'm gonna start with some audio, right? So I got some audio right over here. So I've got some two right audio. So you know, I got some another audio right over here. So I got some two audio over here, which also right this one. So I've got the Walkman, but it's still not modern. It's now modernized because it is already has a speaker on it, right? It is also a speaker, right? So there's already a speaker on it. There is already a speaker in here in which that you can listen wirelessly, right? So using the speaker. So it is still so good, is because you know, you can still put a tape cassette in here, right? So we got put some tape cassette in here, and then we got some functionality right over here in which you can see just like that one. And then operated, and I think this is not a rechargeable, right? So I forgot to put I have a rechargeable battery in which I use it like this one, right? And as also I've got my CD Walkman right here. It's also the Discman, right? And it's still working nowadays. So yeah, I still want this one, right? So I have a Discman that I left from the Philippines, but it is not working anymore, right? So that is why I have to find a new one, right? I have to find another one. So it's because I really love listening to CDs in my Discman, right? So okay, so we've got another audio right over here, and which is, so one over here is modern one, and also I got from some retro. All right. So I got right here is also the iPad Classic, in which it which is coming back. Right, it's coming back. So a lot of another other tech YouTubers right there are now using an iPad Classic, right? So since I am an MP3 lover, right? So I'm a music lover, I'm an MP3 lover, so I'm still listening to music in my iPad, right? So, and unfortunately, and what I guess is also I just bought the AirFly SE, in which is I can connect it into a Bluetooth wirelessly, right? So into my into my Bluetooth speaker, right? I just put the AirFly I just put the AirFly in here, and then here it goes. You can listen to music using this one in via Bluetooth, right? So AirFly is a good one, right? So it's also for the modern one. So I've got right here my I've got also the INI-OS G3 MP3 player, which is also modern now. Okay, it has also a Spotify, and also can internet, Wi-Fi, right? Can internet, and so there's also some podcasts, right? So and also with what is one, audiobooks, right? So you can listen some audiobooks, right? Audiobooks right over here. So on to the next is also I've got this iPad Touch. Okay, I've got my iPad Touch second generation, which is ahead of the time, but people nowadays are now going back to the old tech of the Apple, right? So Apple product, right? So Apple product is still a good one as well. If you are using an earphones, the wired earphones, it's really good. The sound quality is really good, right? The sound quality is really good. So okay, next over here is we're gonna go into the photography, right? So we've got some photography right over here. And also, yes, I got right here is the 2-1. So optional. I really like the Vivitar. And also I really love the quality of the picture right over here, right? So and it also can record some videos right over here, and which I really like it a lot also. But it's also the second one. The second one is my Nikon Coolpix LE27. I think I forgot. Nikon Coolpix L27, which is a really good and really compact. That also it can put in your pocket. It really can put in your side pocket. In which I really like it so much, right? So it's still working, right? It's still working, my Nikon Coolpix L27. So there's some Sony and Samsung digital camera, right? But this is the one that I have. This is the only one that I have, is the Nikon Coolpix L27, right? So, and also this the Vivitar is also a really good choices of pocket camera, right? So the digital camera, right? So it's a really nice one. It's also I really love it, right? So it is also a good quality of the picture that you can have it also, right? So yes, I really like it a lot. So this is Walmart. I bought this on Walmart, yeah, for only a couple of bucks. Not just under $50, right? Under $50, but worth it, because I really love the style of this one. So, and it's so perfect for traveling and taking pictures of the beautiful places. And also for the nature, right? So if you are onto nature, I think this will be the good one also, because you can adjust also the settings of the camera if you want to, right? So okay, right over here is also I've got some okay, I got some a camcorder, which is also again from Vivitar, right? So we got right here is the Vivitar, is my camcorder Vivitar. So since I am using, since I am doing a vlog about this one. So I just need to use my cell phone, right? Okay, so yeah, here we go. So this is a nice one because I really like it a lot. So a nice good quality of a picture also, in which you can have it, right? And it's also, you can swivel it up if you want to, right? So, and yeah, you're good to go. You're going to record some of your memories of your, yeah, memories of your life once in a lifetime, right? So yes, because I really like it a lot, is because there's also a tripod mount in which you can put it into your tripod or your selfie stick, or either you're using it just like your hand, like this one, and if you're good to go, you're gonna be doing a vlog using this one. So a good, also good for vlog, this one, but this is now a modernized, right? So modern camcorder right over here, right? So yeah, because I also, you can put some a shotgun mic over here. There's our horseshoe right over there. So yeah, and it's a really good one, right? So let's go on to the gaming. Okay, let's go on to the gaming. So we got some modern, and also I've got some, what here is an old one. So yes, this is my two choices of my game, right? This is my two choices. We've got the Miyoo Mini, I think it's the Miyoo Mini, and also the original Game Boy Advance SP right over here from the Nintendo, and which is also, I already play in the Pokemon Red right over here, Pokemon Fire Red over here. It's still good condition, right? So Unburnic already has a clone for this one with the Unburnic RG. I forgot that one. So they also, just like the Game Boy Advance SP, right? So just they are making some clones for the station. So they got also the Unburnic RG Vita, right? So yes, that's what. Yeah, and also this one right over here. So Miyoo Mini is really a good one also for retro gaming. So yeah, and also I really like it, because it is so compact and comfortable, and which is also a nice gaming handheld for your travel also. So and also for the analog, right? And it's also good for the analog, which is also good for the analog also. This one right here, since this is an old console handheld console from Game Boy, which is, I really like it a lot also, right? So next is we gonna get over to it. So since I don't have, I have to put this on right over here. So alright, so next is we gonna get over into this one. So I have my portable DVD, right? So let's go gonna get my portable DVD. So this one right here is my portable DVD also, but it still don't have a what is called a remote control. So one thing I like is also, one thing good for this one is also, I really like it, is because just like that one, and then you're good to go play watching movies into your portable DVD, right? And it's still in a good condition and it's still working, right? So yeah, and it's still in a good condition, it's still a good working. So yeah, I just open this up and then close it. Okay, so yeah, and it's also got some functions right over here, as you can see. We got some small speaker right over here also, and also this one right over here is gonna get over to this one. We got the port right over here for the audio and video. We got the power and also the volume, and for the power supply right over here, right? So, and it's also really good one. Is I really like this one. Okay, so when I am watching movie, right? So, and also I got the charger also right here. So next is gonna have to go to the last one. All right, so I'm gonna go to the last one. So this is just gonna be the coolest, right? So yes, I also reading books, right? So I'm also reading some books. So I bought this on King. So I bought this on King Super. So this is the Lion and Lamb by James Patterson. I still haven't finished it yet, but it's getting, the story is getting interesting, and also I really love it a lot. So this one right here is also a very good one if you really want to have this one, right? So yes, going analog, right? So going analog, so and physical, right? So going analog and physical. So this is perfect for each and everyone, if you really wanted to go back to the way it was, this is a good example if you really get into it, right? So not just for the trend, right? So don't just do it just for the trend. Do it with passion, right? So it's because, you know, this kind of like this one that I share to you, these are just they are not gonna be around if they gonna be not here anymore, right? So but hey, honestly speaking, they are still here waiting. They are still here waiting for us to pick to get them right, to pick them right. So, you know, yeah. So don't you just do just for the trend, right? So you have to go with it. You have to let it go with a passion, right? So we get up the passion of being an old school person, right? So it's not just for the trend, right? So yeah, Gen Z using this one, I don't think so. I think they're just using it for the trending, right? So yeah. So for me, because I'm an old school person, I was born in 1980, 1987, right? I was born in 1987, and then yeah, I already know some of the old school like this one, right? So listening to the radio. Yeah, I've got my radio right there. So yeah, I'm still listening today, and it's also I am still watching reading magazines, right? So I have my magazine, but you know, I forgot to pick it up, right? So for this one, and it's also I've got some magazines right over here. We've got some history magazine, showbiz magazine, anything that is documentary, right? So yes, it is also, yeah, if you want to, so don't just do it for the trend, right? Do it for the passion. Okay, so I think that's it for this video, and I hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to subscribe, okay? And click the notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe, okay? And see you again on the next video.